Epic day in the life.
Woodward's dope.
You guys are gonna experience life with Uzi.
I don't know where I am.
Hold on, Dan.
We're gonna go through this.
That was Gabe. You can't even see me. I look so dark, but watch this. Watch this. Boom! I'm here, baby. What are we doing? Oh, skateboards. We kind of need those. Today, I'm giving the camera to Uzi for like 20 minutes, so you're going to see his thoughts and whatnot. I hope you know that.
Did anyone else have trouble using the shower?
Bro!
Pull it down from the bottom. I came out last night and I'm like, hey, Uzi.
Dan was taking a shower at like 2 in the morning and he woke me up. I was like almost asleep and he was like, is this some kind of American shower? And I was like, what do you mean? We were both standing there for like 5 minutes just flipping the switch back and forth. And I'm like, well, I guess you're taking a bath.
Oh my God.
So we're all packed up, ready to head inside.
Yes, we are.
This is the Woodward 2019. Epic day in the life.
That's the tradition, right?
That is a tradition,
That's the tradition.
But-
and then you have to have the Mario one, is
Yeah,
what you were saying.
the only problem is that years ago, 2015, the last time we were here, it was Aaron, Mario, Lance, and I. When I did that, Mario very excitedly in the back seat screamed, "Woodward 2019! 2015!" It's just not the same without him. Lance too.
It's a whole different squad.
He was, Lance was dancing to Chief Keef
Oh.
with the trunk open. Trihana bang bang salsa. Lance is just like getting it with his little bucket hat on. This is the origin of the Lance hat too, the filmer hat.
Is it?
This is.
This is the origin of it.
Yeah, it's because it's hot as all hell here.
It is.
So now I understand why he did it. But yeah, we're here. This is going to be a day in the life.
Day in
and,
the life.
You're going to be able to come along with us on all of our individual journeys throughout the day.
Yep. I think
So-
I'm going to hold the camera for a majority of it, but hand off the camera to these guys during the day to see how they're doing and what they're doing. And I was going to say something else, but it sounded very wrong.
These guys are tired of me holding the camera, so maybe not me.
Take a look into the media room. I don't know if you've seen the media room, but it's pretty spectacular. That is. Wow. Nice and cool in here, refreshing. There's an orange on the table for anybody. We got some skateboards over here that I never want to touch ever again in my entire life.
All right, videos. We're going to plan these videos, and then we'll get right back to you.
How has your Woodward experience been so far? Rough. I got bodied on a curb, out of all things. And that's all I've done so far. I had the opposite experience of Nigel.
What experience did
Nigel
have?
went ham, did cool things. I went light and got bodied on a curb. But hopefully I'll do better today.
Filming videos. Gabe said he about to do a first try pole jam, no warm up, and I'm gonna film it. No handle, all hand. Ooh. This is the art park. I don't know if you've ever seen the art park, but it's a pretty artsy park. I like it. How's that feel?
No, the pole jam worked
The pole jam work?
because there was no pop required. As soon as I tried to pop, my leg said, "Oh no."
No, dude, it's too early.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go check out these other skate campers. Woodward's dope. I like this place. I like the environment. Morning, stretching it up.
Nigel can't stretch.
Oh, down on the ground. See, this is where I leave because I cannot do this one. I'm out. So, what are we even doing? What am I doing?
Looking at the camera, looking terrified.
I just said terrified. Hey, is it terrified? Hey, is it?
Now look that way. It's good. And that's the beauty of a thumbnail right there. Favorite thing to do. Check out those eyes. Tiger eyes.
Tiger eyes.
Well, you just backflipped a scooter last night, and then you come here this morning, first thing, no warm up, and backflip a BMX bike.
I haven't even skated today.
I know.
I don't think
I'm not skating today.
I don't know what level he's on.
I'm not
today,
skating. I can't.
it's
I
up
don't.
there.
I literally. I think I might bike
I don't
all
know.
day today.
I wouldn't even ride down the ramp on a bike or a scooter. I barely even like going down it on my actual skateboard. So we got a lot of stuff on the agenda today, Dan. We're gonna do some skateboarding. We're gonna do a lot of filming. There's a Ninja Warrior course over there that we're gonna play around with a little later. There's also a gymnastics course that we're gonna go play with over there. There's also a coffee shop over there that we're definitely gonna go hit later because they got some coffee that I'm gonna need. That's about it, I think. Doug, you gonna skate today?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Doug's not skating today.
What are you doing?
I am setting up, finally, the Doctor Strange board. And I'm not a fan of like skating boards with grip art, but one, I love Doctor Strange. He's my boy. Number two, that came out amazing. Looks great. This is me pretty much. I am Doctor Strange. I don't know if people know this, but like, you might know this a little bit.
You are Steven.
I am Stephen.
Did you kickflip test it yet? Oh!
That hurt so bad.
Take the
Thank
camera
you.
and talk to the camera. camera for a little while.
Okay.
Life with Uzi.
Take them around
I just
Woodward.
hit a button.
So aim the camera at yourself, and you guys are gonna experience life with Uzi.
All right, I don't have much to say. Hello, Doug.
I will introduce y'all to the most dangerous obstacle at this whole entire place.
Is this right here? I got megla bodied on this. And look at my finger. It's all swollen. Out of everything here, that's what I'm gonna get bodied on. I'm gonna ask the future comments, where should I go? Let's follow these people. We have this race car right here. I don't know what this is, but like, why is it here? All right, I'm just gonna take you guys around here. I'm not sure what Gabe wants me to do. I feel like I'm gonna get into some secret area. What is this, care package? What does it mean? Here we have a door with no handle and handprints outside of it. I think it's open, but there's no way to pull it.
I don't know what anyone wants to see, so I'm just taking all y'all on an adventure.
Another door with no handle. This place is like Fort Knox. Look at these paintings. They really are kind of unsettling. I don't even know what's happening here. Every time I come here,
I lose everyone.
hey look. Hey look, it's Nigel.
Where I just have the home.
Alright, well, that was that.
Braille skateboarding.
How do you know? I'm gonna take y'all to the food hall. Can't get one cup. Whatever. Okay, next spot. The Powerade mission. This is, what kind of sham is this? I can't get any Powerade anywhere. I gotta drink water from downtown. Ah, okay. I don't see anybody. I'm lost.
I don't know where I am. I'm so scared. I don't know where I am. I think everyone left me here at Woodward and then they went home.
Oh, I found you. I've literally been going around for so long.
We have re-entered the depths of Tartarus, and we're gonna go see if we can do the American Ninja Warrior course right now.
I'm absolutely drained, but I'm still here.
Every time I point the camera at you, you say something that involves you being drained.
I am so tired right now at this point.
You're not sore? You're just tired?
Well, at this point, I'm like, I've been walking around, so I'm getting less sore. I think I might skate.
Ninja Warrior is open for business.
You gonna go? Run us through it?
Run you through the course? I don't know the technical names, but you know what? I'll figure it out. So this one's the first part. You got some stairs. You got some stairs you gotta go up. First obstacle, tackle those.
Ooh, dude, this looks sick.
And then you got the bouncy walls. You got bouncy pad, lily pad, bouncy wall, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom.
Do it.
Look at this. Okay, you're doing it right now. You're gonna do this right now.
doing the Ninja Warrior course.
Alright, I'm gonna go on this side right here to make sure that I get you falling. You're in 3, 2,
I'm
1. Go.
Ah!
Part 1.
Ah!
Alright, changalangadangas. Get in that fishnetness.
Ow! My
There you
toe.
go.
You need FP insoles to
Move
be
with a
in here,
purpose.
dude.
Come on, young warrior. Move with a purpose.
Man, I'm chilling. I'm just trying to survive. This is my natural habitat because as a Spider-Man, I walk around on webs quite frequently.
And then you got the wacky highway.
What is this supposed to be?
Step on the high parts where the ropes are.
Whoa!
You look like you're struggling.
I will not waver.
Nice. Moving on to the
That
next
hurts
stage.
so bad.
The Rings of Doom. Oh, I have to go back on my beam over here. Nice technique. Trying to get as far to the end as he can. Oh, starts to struggle. Gets his foot caught in a ring. It's looking very bad for Gabriel, Horatio, and Glacier's crews. I don't know how he's going to make it out of this. Cotton, it's not looking good at all. Manages to get his foot out. Resets it into another ring. Not quite. There it is. That was triumphant.
Not again!
I feel like this might be the hardest.
Which side should we do, Dan? This side or the other side?
Wait, hold up. Because this side's harder. My finger is turning purple.
Wow. Wow. Moving through this with the quickness, acting like he is Spider-Man because he does believe that he is. Wow. Incredible.
You go on this one first. Whoa!
Hold on, Dan.
Those are really hard, actually.
Hold on, Dan.
You gonna go through
Oh,
yourself,
God.
Nigel?
These look like punching bags, but they're plastic.
Oh!
1, I'm in it!
He's holding it!
Oh, look at this one.
Dude, what?
I don't know.
Okay, so he just gonna leap jump up there, not even wait for me. Oh, and just gonna leap jump over there.
Did he do that?
Yes, he just did that. I don't know if that counts, but. Oh wait, hold on. It's a zip line? What? Hold on, let me get up there. Send it, brother. That is dangerous, brother.
Doug getting it for the day in the life? What's going on here? Go, go, go!
Oh man. So far though, today's been an awesome day. This trip has been awesome. Got some good content, met some good people, had some fun. It's always fun with the boys filming. I don't know if everybody got the camera today yet, so they can do their little day in the life little segment. We're skating the hangar. Send it, Doug. Oh! Am I too close? Wow.
Oh, I can do that!
Ah! Yeah. What? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh my God. Ooh. Super smash Yoshi down B. Excuse me? Excuse me, what? I'm offended. Woo!
I got one floppy one that works, I guess.
That's far.
Nigel, what you doing again? You doing a little flyer? You gonna fly from the big jump to the little jump, over the little flat part to the black part, right here? Hey, get there! For real, for real!
Turned Australian for a minute.
Quit stealing my angles, Doug. I'm gonna fight you if you keep stealing my angles.
Don't you be looking at me funny, Dan.
I'm not looking.
I'm gonna fight you if you look at me funny, Dan.
Dude, listen, wait, dude, listen, wait, dude. I'm gonna go up there, dude. I'm gonna drop in, dude. I'm gonna do it, dude.
Dude, all I gotta say is, your board was shaking more than Shakira's hip.
Alright, dude.
Dude, you gotta chill out with that one, bruh. Tighten up.
Dude,
Tighten up, bruh.
am I really speed wobbling?
Dude,
I don't feel it at
Are
all.
you serious? Can we get a comment down below for that one?
I don't feel it at all.
Oh my boost!
Man, he was going for you, Dan.
Wait, no, I'm sorry. I'm distracted. There's a ghost back here.
What?
I don't know how he does that with the.
That was cool!
How out of the question would it be to ride one of you guys' bicycles? Just to throw a flip real quick. This is the last flip of the trip. And of course I do it terrible. Oh well, that was that.
No tuck.
All right, I feel good now. That's fun. My foot hurts really bad though.
broken, buddies. I got this big heel bruise, I think. I hope it's a heel bruise.
I gotta go to the doctor. So, that was a little bit of a day in the life of us, goofing around and whatnot. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you, Woodward, for letting us come out and film a day in the life here. Well, not letting us film a day in the life, but letting us film in general. Doug, it was a pleasure skating with you.
Always fun.
Go away. Vinny, it's a pleasure skating with you. I'm better than you. Uzi, it's always a pleasure. You the man. Dan, hi Dan. But I hope you guys like that. There's some videos.
There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you should go.
Skateboard. Go skateboard. Or on our website.
Website, yes.
Oh yeah.
What is
Go.
that? What
It's
is that?
BrailleSkateboarding.com in case you want to learn how to skateboard. Why are you all up in my grill, son? I'm backing up, and you. Hey, that's